Welcome to AndreaJean's 10-minute abundant manifestation, where I help you turn your dreams into reality. These next 10 minutes are for you and you alone. Trading your mind to quiet, calm, and embrace what flows through your stream of consciousness is truly a skill that requires practice and attention. In order to truly value and appreciate your dreams becoming reality, you must understand and believe that they have already come true. Your dreams have already come true. You are living them now. Any goal that you set for yourself, any aspirations, are alive and well right now, in this very moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Open your heart, body, mind, and soul so that abundance can truly flow through you. Repeat these words and affirmations as if they were your own. State them with conviction, with feeling, and strong visualization. Doing these things will allow your manifestations to become reality more quickly. I am abundant. My dreams are coming true right now. I have everything that I need. I'm thankful for this day. I'm thankful for my persistence. I am thankful for my health and vitality. I am thankful for any obstacle that comes my way because I know exactly what to do. I am thankful for all challenges that surround my life as they are opportunities for growth. I am thankful that I no longer let fear, doubt, or perfectionism stand in my way. I am visualizing my smartest, wisest, most thankful self right now. I am prosperous. I am energized and motivated. I am confident in my abilities. I am patient and can delay gratification. I am thankful for my clarity and peace of mind. I am blessed for all that is in my life right now. I'm thankful that I get to wake up each day and work towards something that fulfills me. I'm thankful for my ability to share my gifts and talents with this world. You are truly blessed and abundant. You are beautiful and radiant. Wealth and prosperity are flowing through your life right now. There's no need to worry. You are exactly where you need to be, and you are doing exactly what you need to be doing. You are good enough. In fact, you are more than enough. You are truly blessed. The world is lucky to have you in it. Doubt will no longer reign over your life. Confidence fills your body, soul, and your mind. Visualize with feeling and great intent your best self right now. Allow any intense feelings to flow through you. What you resist persists, and embrace all that you are and all that you feel. You are exactly where you need to be. You are living your most abundant life. Nothing will stand in your way, and you have all the tools that you need as you accomplish anything right now. You are amazing, and you can easily speak your mind with respect and peace in your heart. Today, is a great day. If you're looking for additional meditations, there is a whole playlist in the description box below. And you, my friend, are truly living your dream life right now, in this very moment. Share your gifts and talents with this world because we need you.